Me and Kate are currently watching the One Direction video. It's very, very, very loud. It's so emotional. Leave my heart. We are on our way to a bonfire. Yay!
Oh, damn it, I forgot my phone. Oh, did you?
Yeah,
I get to take pictures.
Take plenty of pictures as
yes,
you want.
I'm gonna own videos. Yeah, I'm excited. It's Danielle's first time.
Right, look how excited she is about going in the
Yeah, and it's the first time in a car, in a British car.
Don't make Heather scared.
So excited.
She'll crack.
You feel a bit like, look at it intently.
Heather, hooking a duck, it's intense. Come on Heather, we believe in you. So we just come out of the fireworks and oh, it was so good. There was loads and there was a fun fair and Danielle won a duck.
Who's this twat talking?
Duck! This girl right here, literally the worst person I know. All my eyes proper watering.
Sending my love to all of yous out there. We're famous now. Ow, no,
ow.
really.
Ow, ow.
Ow, ow.
Poppy and Heather are back there.
Fluffy duck!
She also won a fluffy duck. Christ in heaven. How incredible is this video? I'm being a horrendous vlogger again. It's Thursday now and this week has been absolutely ridiculous. There's been so many different deadlines and things to write and things to submit and things to do generally, so I've been so busy with that, but I have done everything now, so I'm just sat in my room just doing nothing and it's great. Yeah, I think it's going to be an early night for me, rock and roll, fresh as life and everything. I'm so tired. But the weekend should be good because my father and brother are coming. Wee! So yeah, that'll be really, really good to see them. There was a silverfish bug, so Aqua is now unbuttoning.
Oh my god!
Danielle, what are you doing? Do you want to shake it out or do you just want to shake it out?
Shake it at us.
What do you want to do?
Oh my god.
Josh just turns up like, what the fuck?
Oh, yeah, I killed it.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I killed it. It's
Where
dead.
is it? Where is it?
Look, that's what it is. That's what it is. It's dead. It's gone.
Rain. Rain. We are stupidly coming shopping, me and Poppy. I can't. Woohoo! Poppy. Yeah, I don't. Bus. Not really sure why we've come shopping, but we have. So Wearing creams. Was that an inappropriate noise? So pretty. Yay for fireworks.
I like how we see it in here.
It's called physics. I started sticking some photos on my door, which I've been meaning to do for ages, but I'm just waiting for my brother and my dad to get here. So yeah, I just thought it'd be nice to have some memories on my door. The last 5 minutes trying to find a car parking space, and
I fail.
yep, this is how far up we are. I don't really like heights, so that's fun. Yeah, the rubbing house, and Jonathan is here. Yay! And Dad is here. Yay!
Don't do it.
Hello.
You value your
I got a
life.
clip on my foot. Oh no, yeah, that's gotta be on the internet. Whatever. I can't believe I missed. Oh,
It's now Sunday night. It was really, really nice having my dad and my brother here. They went at about 1:30, just because obviously it's a very long way back to Bradford. But yeah, it was really nice having them here. And then the rest of the day I just sort of been sitting around, sitting around. But I managed to get some work done, which is fun. Just looking over what to do for next week, some stuff going on. And then the week after that is pentatonics, and oh, so excited! I got my email for VIP. I didn't mention it on this actually. I have VIP tickets to go and meet them and go to sound check and loads of other very, very exciting things. There's going to be a whole vlog dedicated to that because I would really, really, really like to have it just on its own documented. So that's going to be fun hopefully. And that's been my week. Bye!